Hi everyone, I'm Cofrancis out today. I want to show you how to draw a simple realistic balloon. Other times I've been doing drawings on sophisticated objects, but today I decided to do a simple drawing that beginners can easily understand. Okay, so today we'll be drawing a balloon. So these are the materials we need. You need a cutting board. We need a cotton wool. This is called cotton wool for blending, and also you need a paint brush or normal brush. You need a sticky eraser. You need blending stump and charcoal pencil, and also last but not least, graphite pencil. Alright. Okay, we start by drawing the lines of the balloon and following our reference pics on this one. We'll be drawing two balloons, so we'll make our sketch first. These are the sketch. You follow the sketch to get the right proportion of the two balloons. You draw the rope down, and also the other balloon you draw the lines. You make sketch of the other balloon like this. Alright, you'll be making a lot of nice sketch to make sure we get the right proportion of the balloon. And also the shadings, we shade gently. We make some little sketch of the shading where we will still come back and draw without even a blending stump, or probably using the paintbrush to blend or shade. So I'll just be using my pencil to sketch out those lines to give it a reference, or probably I'll call it an under layer to help me get the right proportion of what I'll be drawing. So right away I'll be drawing making the shadings. You use your HB pencil to make the shadings of the shading. Okay, so alright, so when we're done with the shading, we'll cover the whole shaded lines with a cotton wool to give it a realistic look, but we'll do that later. So you shade the down part with HB pencil. Use an HB pencil to shade the lower areas, and use cotton wool. Use your cotton wool to cover up all the shaded areas. Right. So okay, right away we use now blending stump to sketch out some of the some portions of the balloon to give it a realistic look. You take this, you place the bending stump on your graphite dust that I've shown here. So you tap some dust and you just rub it on the paper, on the area you're drawing, and also you make sure that you follow everything you're seeing from the reference picture to give you a nice balloon realistically. So at this point, I would like you to finish up. I would like you to continue watching. So make sure you click the like button to see more of video tutorials like this. And if you're a beginner, I will advise you that this video is one of the nice and best videos that you could watch and follow and take and get the techniques that is being used here to educate yourself on drawing tricks and drawing shade, and so that it will enable you to know how to shade your drawings, right? So see you soon. Thanks for watching. See you.